vegetables: pumpkin, red chili, ginger, potato, garlic, small onion, beetroot, capsicum, carrot, lady's finger, drumstick, cucumber, cabbage, bitter gourd, green peas, broccoli, brinjal, tomato, cauliflower, beans, pointed gourd, elephant yam, amaranth, mushroom. Eat vegetables and be healthy.